Hi, welcome back to the Cour de the Grange Diaries. I'm Capella from Ryan, British screenplay writer and author. Today's April 24th, here at the Cour de the Grange in Orbeuful, France, and just when I thought I was finished filming for the day, I put up a post on Instagram to say that the videos will be with you shortly, as my internet was running slow and I couldn't get the first batch up. I'm still on it, and they're still not up currently, but they will be by the end of the day. Just as I put the post up, I am welcomed by a troll by the name of Anne Cunningham Davis, which is her name on her Instagram post, her profile. And she likes my post, informing me that she's seeing not only all of my stuff, but she's also liking it, okay, just to inform me. However, I blocked her on all my social media many months ago after she confessed that she uses her social media separate accounts to what was her exact words again? To sneak. Her exact word was to sneak around all of the tenants here on their social media and see what they were up to and basically delve into their private life and things that didn't concern her. So basically that's what she had done to me today. I'm not one bit surprised, but she's, instead of actually being smart about anything she was doing, she's actually just given her hand away that she has been trolling me all these months, just like I knew that she was. So that was why I was always double thought about everything that I put up before I put it up. And that's why all my videos to you guys, I always have every little minuscule detail triple checked, literally triple checked by lawyers here in Paris, three of them. So yeah, so I wanted to get that up there and just let you know that if you've seen a little comment, that was referring to Anne Cunningham Davis trolling my online activity, as she's already admitted she does to all of her tenants. So that's where I am at, and I will see you next week, hopefully, unless some more drama happens here until I can get the hell out of Dodge. So yeah, I'll see you soon. If you want to leave any comments or DM me, feel free. And thank you so much as well for all of the other comments that you've been sending me throughout the last week of so much support and kindness. I really appreciate them, and I will see you after the weekend. So take care. God bless.